claim to understand the work of God's own hands. I don't claim to understand how God could send His Son to die for me. Upon a rugged tree, I don't claim to understand the grace that gives me hope. I don't claim to understand the love that made Him give His life for me. I don't claim to understand, but this I know is that on Calvary has saved my soul. Yes, He conquered death, the Son of God, who made me whole. And because He shed His blood, I live forever, forever with my Lord. I don't claim to understand why God became a man. I don't claim to understand why Jesus left His home in heaven for me. I don't claim to understand, but since He died and rose again, I know the victory is won. I believe and put my trust in Jesus Christ, God's Son. I'm His child, and yes, I live in heaven forever, forever with my Lord. I don't claim to understand His grace. I don't claim to understand His love, but by faith I know it's true.